Hey guys, my name is DJ Famie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick fix on an Xbox 360 with Ring of Death. And this is for code E74, as you can see, E74. Now keep in mind, this is not a permanent fix. I will be doing a permanent fix in another video. This is just a simple and dirty way to get it up and running. And let me turn this one. As you can see, I've marked two places which lines up with the cooling fans at the back of this unit. This allows a quick placement of my pins. What happens here is that these pins in place prevents the cooling fan from turning. This allows the unit to superheat. Ouch! Yeah. This thing has really given me an electric shock. So please use a cloth to wrap the metal you are using to block the fans. Normally this would be bad, but for this fix it's necessary. This step takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and once the unit gets hot enough, the metal inside the processor basically liquefies, allowing broken connection to basically heal themselves. During the process of heating the system, the fans will continue to try and kick on as the unit begins to shut down. After about 10 minutes, you notice two red lights are flashing and the unit stopped transmitting a signal, but the fans are still trying to turn on and cool things down. So after several minutes at this step, it should be close to where we want it, and the unit will be warm with a feel of a touch. Now you notice that the fan have stopped trying to kick on, which indicates the final shutdown stage. So now you can remove the hard drive, cables, pins, and wait for like 15 to 20 minutes so the unit will cool down. After the unit has cooled down, now you can connect the cables, the hard drive, and turn the Xbox 360 on. Okay, now let's turn it on, and you can see green lights. Yeah, and it's on. Xbox 360. Yeah, that's it. Let's turn it off and turn it on again to prove this is not fake. Let's see. Bam, and it's on. Okay, last one. turning it on again. Yeah, and it's on. So guys, this is not fake, this is a real thing. It works. So if this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends who might need this help. Okay, see ya.